juice. I drink a lot of juice, citrus juice. I don't drink.
You ain't got nothing mixed with it.
There's a cop one night wanted to smell my stuff up in Anderson. He said you just.
Has he got moonshine in there?
Oh.
I don't think you want
He
that.
knows better. I don't drink no more. Smoke.
I thought it was at the home.
I give all that up 20 years.
A lot of people spend a lot of money on it. Boy, that's where everybody went. I like to have me a little cherry bomb. Go right down through yonder. Oh man, don't you know? We want to hit somebody there, you know.
Oh, this make everybody split.
Yeah.
Make them split.
It'd make them split.
Oh yeah.
Be like the Red Sea.
Yeah.
Do you ever go to the one downtown Anderson when they have it?
Oh yeah, yeah. And that, hey, the next Saturday night,
Yeah.
the Epps is gonna be down there in Honey Fest. I'm gonna be with them.
We coming.
I'm coming at you.
Oh yeah.
It'll be downtown. It's at the what do they call that thing? Not the honey shop, and something else.
I'll come.
But I'll be there playing with them.
I want to hear you.
Okay.
Hey,
Is that all?
how are you?
Is that all of it?
I'm pretty good. It's good to see you. Good to see you, Tracy.
Ain't nobody gonna ask me how am I doing? I'm putting it over here. Ain't nobody gonna ask me how am I doing?
Well, they don't know you.
Hey, yeah, doctor.
They don't know you.
Oh, lady asked me, she said, how you doing at the cash register the other night? I said, well, the doctor gave me 6 months to live. I told him I couldn't pay my bill in 6 months, so he'd give me a year. He wouldn't give me a whole year to live.
Give you long enough to get it paid.
Yeah, and I guarantee you after that was up, you need another year to live. You ain't got it paid for, that is.
You have all the time you need.
Yeah. When do you pay it all? We pay it all? Well, Jimmy, you ain't got about a week to live. God, look at him. Good, keep on. Good Lord. I bet that's what, about $20 there? About $25 each.
Oh, each time?
Yep.
No, probably
15.
about $50.
Oh, really? Is it?
Angie sells them.
God, really? That much?
That's his artillery sales.
Dang. That goes about, what, 30?
$50 for 5 of them.
God almighty.
He has the fellowship.
Good Lord.
I saw him today.
At the Belton Stanpike Festival. October the 6th. Today's the 6th. Today's the 5th.
My daughter's birthday's today.
Oh, it's the 5th. Okay. It's the 5th. Yeah, 5th. 2013. I'm here with Kristen, her boyfriend. It's be on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
There's Jimmy. And let's see, Matthew. Yeah. I saw him on, he was on Channel 16 one night. Yeah, I saw him, yeah.
What was he doing, singing on it?
They were just interviewing him. He was really interviewing the other guy, wasn't you?
Yeah.
You was telling him, talking to him, wasn't you?
But they told me to. They said, just keep my eye on the announcer.
They was playing role playing.
They told you to keep your eye on the announcer?
Yeah.
If y'all see the one I was on when they interviewed me?
Yeah.
Me and Otis.
Hey, Matthew, eat some of it.
Eat the rest of it, Matthew.
You know you're hungry.
Hop atop again. Damn.
Matthew, just don't worry about this.
Getting it, Jimmy?
I missed that one.
No, but I didn't have my, I didn't use it for it. I used my hand.
Say some of them cost about $50. God, just one shot.
Oh, you want to film him
said her
walking
sister
down
fell.
through like that?
Huh?
Look at him, film
Oh, look
him.
here. Don't blow up on. Hey, no, don't blow up on us now.
It's a good for tough.
You met Christian before, haven't you?
Oh, yeah.
Just eat whatever.
Good.
They
Good Lord. They'll let the big one in a little bit. Yeah, they're getting ready to let the big one go now.
Them pots like that. Look at that.
Them kids. Good Lord.
Wow.
Is that all of them? No, here comes the big one. Come on now. They're gonna let the big ones go in a minute. Somebody got a little light, green light going at it, Jimmy. I bet a cat have a fit over something like that.
Yeah,
Be jumping that wall trying to get it.
sure would.
That cat be going crazy.
Hey, my daddy, when he was a little boy, about 12 years old, he said this old man had a monkey, right? He had him in a cage, a real chimpanzee. No, chimpanzee, monkey. Yeah, and that threw a big old tough cat in the cage with him. He said that cat that bowed up and said that monkey went to grab the cat, and the cat scratched the devil out of the monkey, and the monkey bit it in the back and almost killed it, but it knocked it out. My daddy said, he said, I laugh all my life about that. He said, that's the funniest thing I was seeing.
I would too.
Said, them old men let that monkey bite that cat in the back. It didn't kill him, it knocked him out. Said, when he first told tomcats are mean. They're the meanest cat there is just about. It's about like a bobcat.
Yeah.
Did that cat just
Bowed up.
and the monkey was gonna go up and play with it, and the cat scratched the devil out of it. And that monkey, he grabbed the cat, beat him,
I love to
beat him unconscious
Left him for dead.
in the back. But he lived, the cat lived.
That was his battle scar.
Yeah, right. Have a go.
That was the grand finale, Jimmy.
Yeah. I bet these old people living right here. Hey, I bet these old people living right here say, what the world is that? Armageddon.
I know.
Wait a minute.
Wow!
One last time.
I thought I was there. I spoke too soon.
Is that it? That's it. They gone. Here comes the people. This is when I like to have some cherry bombs. Stir it down through there.
Everybody be over. Run to their vehicle.
You know them poppers that you throw?
Yeah.
Little things you pop, big buddies throw them as they're walking.
Right, there you go.
Jump.
Oh, that jump. What's a bright light he's got yonder? That's your boyfriend with that, ain't it?
No, I don't think.
Yeah, it looks like him. He got something in his hand.
He does. He borrowed somebody's hand. Yeah, he borrowed somebody's.
Well, Kristen, we're going to run in. But call me and let me know when y'all get...
I am.